Get into the 2016 Chevrolet Tahoe. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 150,000 miles on the odometer. The Chevrolet Tahoe, the full-size SUV that has the space, power, amenities, and technology you need to tackle a challenge in comfort and style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, heated driver's seat, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, power passenger seat, lane keeping assist, heated rear seat, satellite radio, heated mirrors, premium sound system. Powerful workhorse meets comfortable cruiser in the Tahoe. Treat yourself to a road test.